In this episode, I am going to show you how to make perfect fluffy scrambled eggs. For this recipe, we will be using several large eggs and butter. We first crack the eggs and put them on a small cooking pot. Here, we are using 4 large eggs. Make sure not to beat the eggs at this point. We then add in our butter to the eggs. We then turn on our stove to medium heat. At this point, we gently beat the eggs and butter with a spatula. We keep doing this gentle mixing until the eggs and butter start to curdle, as can be seen in this video. Make sure to keep stirring the mixture and treat it like you are cooking risotto. Occasionally, we will take our pot off the stove while continue stirring the mixture. We keep stirring the mixture while repeatedly taking the pot off the heat and putting it back on the stove a few times. Once the desired consistency for the scrambled eggs is reached, we turn off the stove and place the scrambled eggs onto our serving plate. Finally, we season the scrambled eggs with salt and pepper. And there you have it, your very own perfect fluffy scrambled eggs. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.